Today we're going to be talking about select by color. I will be showing you in standard edition, so anyone can do this. I want to start off by letting you know that I did get this image from designbundles.net. I got it quite some time ago. It was free at the time. It probably isn't now, but there was a bundle of different llama files, so that's where this is from in case you're wondering. And I also went ahead and took the time and I colored each letter to show you how this function works, just to speed up the video. So I'm going to close this color palette here. So selecting by color. So say if you want to change some of these colors out, but you don't want to go and click on each and every one. In this case, we only have 2 of each color and it would be not really a big deal. But if you have an image that has a ton of colors and you don't want to go and select each one by one, you can do this. So we're going to start off by going up here, and everyone will have this. It's the color palette option. It looks similar to this, but it's a different function. The one up here is going to allow you to select by color. So you're going to click on that. This window pops up. So when you first open it, it's going to show by line, and that line there is referring to the line that's around each one of these letters as well as the design here. So you could select the whole image. In this case, everything is colored red, so it would select everything I have on the page. So I want to go to select by fill because I want to be able to select specific colors, and when you click on that, it'll show you all the colors that you are currently using in your design. They automatically populate once you give color to your design. It'll show every color that's in the design. So say if I wanted to grab, let's do all the orange. So if I click the orange, you see it's selected. You'll see the selection box around these. It selected those 3. So what if I wanted to go to those 3 and say if I wanted to make them pink? You just do that and it'll do all 3 at once. So I think that's a good function. And so if you're doing things, you don't have to take your time to click one by one. Let's try it again. We'll go to the red. So let's click the red, and it's going to select the 2 reds, and I can do whatever I want with those as far as the fill. So I can add a color to those. If I wanted to go to my pattern folder and add a pattern, I can do that also. So let's go to fill, the 3rd option here. That's going to open up your pattern folder, your pattern colors. Bear with my computer here, it's a little bit slow. It's an older computer. So here some of these patterns are just stock in Silhouette. Some of them I did add. So say if I wanted, what if I wanted this pink polka here? Oh, it unselected them. So let's go ahead and get those selected again. So we were working on those ones. Okay, so go here. And let's go back to that pink polka. I don't know why it deselected, so it did that. So that's a quick and easy way that you can change colors in your lettering and your designs without having to take the time to go and click each one by one. I'm going to show you one more time. So we'll go and select color here. Look at all the colors. In this case, I want to select this up here. I know these both look black. This is also actually a little lighter than black. This is the black shade. So that's why I have that there. That's for the llama, and then this one here is actually for that color there. So if I want to select that, and then I'm going to change that. I'm going to go over to my color palette there. Let me go back to my patterns folder. Say I want to go with that. I don't really like that, but you can go with anything. You can fill it with anything, do anything you want, just a quick and easy way to do it.